not a size 10 shoe.
On bar line?
Gary Ellis with the pop. Now it's Corbin. Corbin and Ellis. Ellis takes it over. National #1 pro Opry right now. It is Ellis. Ellis, Corbin and shoot. Ellis, Corbin, King and shoot. Ellis got it going his way. Corbin looking for a way. Ellis, Corbin, King, shoot. Ellis standing on the gas. TC in the hunt. Into that red line sweeper. Here we go. It is still Ellis. Ellis, Corbin, King. Gary Ellis on the back hunt right now with TC looking for a way. Still got him. Ellis, Corbin, King and shoot. Bringing it back. TC looking for a way in. Playing them back. Here they come. Throw open action. Here we go. National #1. Gary Ellis. Fourth leg King. King drops him down again. Looks like it might have been Hall with a pop. Blazer with the power. Into the corner. It is still Blazer. Blazer got it going his way, but Griffin charging hard. It is Blazer and Griffin. Now Hall moving back to two. It is Blazer and Hall. Blazer, Hall, Griffin and Hill. Into the corner. It is Blazer, Hall, Griffin and Hill. Blazer got it going his direction right now, but Fuzzy Hall trying to run him down. Into the midline sweeper. Out they come the Blaze. Doing a brass and erasing. Blazer bringing him back. It is Blazer, Hall, Griffin, Hill. Thought Blazer got it going his direction right now. Blazer into the corner. It's the Blaze for S&E. Bringing him back to the square.